back to another episode of Serious Flair with Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a wonderful Japanese classic. We're making NIKU Beef Udon. So what is that exactly? It is an udon noodle soup topped with a slightly savory and sweet stir-fried beef. There's a dashi broth, a little bit of narutomaki, a little bit of green onions, and there you go. It is super simple to make. It only took me like 15 minutes to make from start to finish, so let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!